Hi guys, I hope you're all well. Well, today we're doing a slightly different video. I was planning on going to pick up the car that I'd bought, but I was quite hard on them when I was negotiating the price. There was a few bits that I wanted to be done, so I said, look, I'll just leave you to get the car right, exactly how I want it to be, and I won't even hassle you. Just call me when it's ready. So that would have been 2 weeks ago on this coming Monday. Now, I was expecting them to ring me by now to say it's all ready for you to collect, but they haven't, and I'm going to stick to my word. I'm not going to ring them. I'm just going to let it play out. You know, I paid a deposit and they know that I'm ready and waiting, so when the car's ready they'll call me, won't they? So what we're going to do today, I'm kind of at a loose end, if I'm honest. So I thought to myself, well, we haven't driven the Discovery for a while, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the Discovery out and I'm going to have a play with a couple of different camera angles just to see what the different angles are like. So I've got a few ideas in mind. Let's go out and have a little drive. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, so we're back home now. If you have watched it all the way through, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I have no idea how any of that's going to turn out. Like I say earlier, it was just for me to have a play with different camera angles and just have a bit of fun, really. But I thought I might as well just upload it for you guys to have a look as well. So, yes, if you have watched, thank you so much for watching. And, as always, be good to one another and love life. Always be good to animals. And enjoy the rest of your day.